guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here with no makeup and there's a guy staring at me. So today I have a little transformation video for y'all. I'm on my way to get my nails done right now. Haven't had them done in like 5 months or so, but yeah, we're just gonna go ahead and get started. This is the outfit, some leggings and my pants. Decided to come get my eyebrows done first because I have an hour still to my nail appointment, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that right now. Alright guys, I got my eyebrows done and it hurt like a mother trucker, but they look nice. Oh shit, son. I still have like 30 minutes before I have to get my nails done, so I'm gonna go to Starbucks and get a coffee. Alright guys, these are my eyebrows. Low-key, that lady was roasting on my eyebrows. Looks right now, and there's a line. They really hurt. It literally had been like 5 months or more. What's up guys? So I just finished getting my nails done. I was gonna film, but I was like, it was my first time going with her. I don't want to be weird and be like, can I film? So anyways, these are my nails. Look how pretty they are. This is how they look. And so freaking pretty. I'll leave her information in the description if anybody wants to go to her in the DFW area. But yeah, she's the best and I loved her and they're so pretty. I want to cry. But yeah, now I'm just waiting on 2 p.m. I think it's barely 1. So I have an hour and a half before I have to go get my eyelashes done. I'm gonna eat and clean up my room a little bit. Lila, come here. Come here. You're so pretty, girl. You're so pretty. I just got my eyelashes done. Check out my glasses. They look like this. They're so pretty and full. You know, we're looking like a girl now. My nails. These back on. So right now I'm on my way to get my toes done. And yeah, we're almost done. All I have left is my hair, my toes, and that's it. And now my sister's coming with me. So guys, it's the next day and all I have left to do is my hair. So I'm waiting on my friend to get here and then we're gonna head over. Jeans and some like sandals. So the reason that I'm getting ready is because my boyfriend's coming back home. He's in the military and he's been away for about 9 months. So yeah, he's finally coming home soon, and I just wanted to look pretty. But yeah, I just wanted to get a little ready. Well, maybe a lot ready. Just how cute you look stranded. Yeah. We just got our hair done, but we the last thing I have to do is to do my makeup, so let's go ahead and get started. Foundation today just because I don't want to feel like my face is too heavy. But yeah, I love just using concealer and then just adding a little bit of bronzer. I cannot get over my nails. But yeah, now all I gotta do is my hair and then my outfit, and then we'll be done with the video. Alright guys, that's gonna be the end of the video. This is how I look after I actually take care of myself. This shirt, I got it from Ross. These are my sisters. And then sandals. I got them from Agassi or Gachi, whatever it's called. But yeah. And I love the no foundation look. Anyways, if you stayed to the end of the video, thanks for watching, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe. See you in the next one. Peace.